What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my February winter makeup box review. So if you want to see what's inside this lovely box, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I want to start off the video by saying I do apologize. I know I'm a couple of days out of my window for my end of the month review. However, better late than never, and I'm going to make it up to you guys. So today's video, I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing by the Vegan Cuts Makeup. They are a cruelty-free vegan makeup subscription. They do makeup, they do beauty, and they also do food and snacks. Now for me, this is great because there are such a broad spectrum of vegan cruelty-free makeup, and instead of sitting there and buying things and then the colors don't match or things like that, I love that they put everything into one box and then they make it perfect for you. So what you see on my face right now is all from the Vegan Cuts makeup box. So let's go ahead and get started. Once I have the box open, I do have a cute little A Cause for Celebration. It basically breaks down everything that is going to be in the box and the value of it. It's always going to be, from what I understand, about $70, or the base value is about $70. So you're definitely get a bang for your buck for what you're going to be paying for, and I'll make sure I link all that in the description box below. Alright, so I'm going to start off this Vegan Cuts Makeup Winter Box with the Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. This is going to moisturize and hydrate as well as firm and provide a barrier of protection against environmental stressors. The feel is very velvety but not thick or greasy, and it is full of lavender and geranium, which is really good with skin protection. Alright, next I'm going to be going in with the Green Tea Primer. Primer is #1 when it comes to makeup. It helps set for a smooth canvas as far as your face. It lasts all day and lasts all night, and this one in particular is rich in green tea, so it will help with the fine lines and the big pores and things like that. So I'm just showing you the difference in the Osea and then also the green tea primer, how well it definitely blends in. Alright, next I'm going to go on with the Ofer Cosmetics Translucent Powder. Guys, I am a woman of color, and when I see dark, it always scares me because I'm like, oh my gosh, it's going to make me look like a shadow. However, this is very light, very translucent, very light in texture as well, and the color was spot on. So I definitely will be buying this personally once I run out. And you can see I'm just blending it in there. Okay, so next is going to be the 100% Pure Fruit eyeshadow, and it's going to be in the lovely color Halo. This has like a satin color to it, but it's got a little shimmer, and I like it because it's rich in antioxidants. Alright guys, so last is going to be this lip tint. Now sometimes I'm a little scared to try these purplish red tints. However, this one came out so good. It smells so good, very smooth and velvety, so definitely try it if you're a woman of color. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Help a sister out, and don't forget to share this video. You can share it with Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, friends, frenemies, tax person, aunt, uncle, I don't know. Share it with whoever. Alright guys, subscribe below and ring that bell for the notification. Ciao.